Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about React Developer Tools. React Developer Tools is a browser extension essential for React developers. By installing this tool, developers can visualize and investigate React component structures within web applications. The extension showcases a graphical representation of the component hierarchy, along with detailed insights into props, state, and context data. Moreover, React Developer Tools facilitates debugging and performance optimization by enabling developers to identify and address issues efficiently. For instance, when troubleshooting a React application, developers can use this tool to track down bugs by inspecting component states and props, leading to quicker issue resolution. Additionally, developers can leverage React Developer Tools for profiling applications to enhance performance, ensuring seamless user experiences. During industrial training, developers utilize the component tree to inspect individual components. This tool offers a comprehensive overview of a component's props, state, and context. For example, in a React application, developers can leverage React Developer Tools to inspect a button component and examine properties such as text content and an on-click handler. This process allows for detailed analysis and debugging of specific elements within the application. React Developer Tools are utilized in debugging React components through inspecting and adjusting props and state. This tool also aids in monitoring component updates and re-renders. For instance, in a React application, a developer can employ React Developer Tools to observe state modifications in a form component while a user engages with input fields. React Developer Tools is a tool that allows developers to profile the performance of their React applications and pinpoint areas that require optimization. It offers valuable information on component lifecycles and rendering times, aiding in the identification of bottlenecks. For instance, in a scenario where a React application includes a list component that renders a substantial amount of items, a developer can utilize React Developer Tools to analyze and optimize the rendering time of this component. Using React Developer Tools is like having a lighted magnifying glass to inspect and manipulate objects in a dark room. Just like how the lighted magnifying glass helps us see small details clearly, React Developer Tools allow developers to see the structure and state of React components in a user interface. With React Developer Tools, developers can easily identify and fix bugs, rearrange components, and optimize performance, just like how a magnifying glass helps find and fix imperfections in an object. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. Developer Tools is a vital asset for developers, acting as a powerful lighted magnifying glass that provides unparalleled insight into React applications. Let's examine a sample code snippet to highlight the significance of React Developer Tools. JSX import React from React. Class counter extends mens React.component constructor props super props this.state count 0. Handle increment equals this set state count this.state.count plus 1. Render return div this state.count button on click it handle increment. Export default counter. In this illustration, there's a basic counter component that showcases a counter value and a button for incrementing it. Let's utilize React Developer Tools to scrutinize and manipulate this component efficiently. 1. First, install the React Developer Tools extension in your preferred browser. 2. Navigate to your React application where the counter component is deployed. 3. Open the Developer Tools and switch to the React tab. 4. You'll find the counter component listed with its corresponding state and props. 5. With React Developer Tools, you can examine the component, review its state, and even adjust the state value as needed. 6. By leveraging this tool, you can reorganize components, identify issues, and enhance performance aspects within your application. Just like how a lighted magnifying glass aids in clarifying small details in a dimly lit room, React Developer Tools sheds light on the composition and state of your React components, empowering you to operate with proficiency and accuracy One industrial application of React developer tools is in e-commerce websites. Developers can utilize the tool to analyze and optimize components responsible for displaying product information, managing cart functionalities, and handling user interactions. By inspecting the component hierarchy and state, developers can identify potential bottlenecks, debug issues, and enhance the overall performance of the e-commerce platform. In another scenario, React developer tools can be employed in the development of financial applications. With complex financial calculations and data visualizations, maintaining and debugging React components becomes crucial. Financial applications can benefit from the tool's ability to provide insights into component re-rendering, state management, and overall application structure. By leveraging React developer tools, developers can ensure the reliability, performance, and security of financial software solutions. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.